3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the first in meeting recording of Sports with Sadaji, of course me. वैसे हम पैनल 8 लोग के थे, आज मिले 4 ही है बिकॉज किसी को कुछ बोलना चारों के बारे में
एक्सक्यूजेस या फिर सम इनकन्वीनियंस
बेसिकली उनका कट रहा है, ठीक है ना। अभी हम जहाँ सेक्सी मौसम में है, अच्छा रूम है, वो you four are missing out
and you four are on recovery mode and we know why you are. Yes.
You know, the main guy who actually brought these guys and the other 4 recovery guys together on this platform. On my left is Aniket, Aditya Mishra and Alabhai. So you know, the thing is, we're going to start with the introductions, like what the sports we like. and यार हम लोगों को क्या पसंद है देखने का, और तुम्हारे ऊपर जो हम इतना ज्ञान बताते हैं, हम ज्ञान हमारा शेयर करते हैं, थोड़ा हम बता देंगे कौन सा ज्ञान शेयर करते हो, क्यों करते हैं. सो यू नो स्टार्ट क्या है, बहुत मैंने अपना अपना माय बोल दिया, चलो दूसरे चालू कर. आलो चालू कर.
अरे ऑर्डर में चलना चाहिए ना, Aniket, it's you. Okay. वो तो on my left, सब लोग लेफ्ट में ही है. So on your right there's no one. ठीक है.
So meet Singaporean dollar. So this is Aniket here, and I met all these guys on on the WhatsApp groups. So we had a common interest in sports, and firstly I contacted Sardarji here to to get his opinion on different sports, and we had a common discussion on where you are in terms of our interests, and we found a few grounds where we could share something to everyone on the platform, on social media as well. So coming to my interests, it's more into like Formula 1 and basketball, because I have been passionately following these sports from the past like 15 to 20 years now. So that's basically when I was about 7 to 8 years old. I started watching both. I mean 29 right now.
सच 40 से 29. वो लेकिन मीम था ना, 400 बोलेंगे.
Jokes apart. So basically, Formula 1 and basketball is generally what I follow the most. So I've been watching these sports for a long time. Personally, I support Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association, and Lewis Hamilton and the Mercedes F1 team in Formula 1. So I might be biased towards some of these topics whenever I discuss these sports with my fellow panelists.
Get in there.
And so if you want to bash me for that, go ahead in the comments and do it. But I'm also open on discussion in other sports like football and cricket as well sometimes. So that's about me. And now I'll pass it on to Aditya.
एक सेकंड, I want to clear one thing. I mean ये बोलता है कि इसने मेरे को मैसेज किया कि स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में. मैं बताता हूँ भाई, ये NBA ग्रुप पे था, मैं NBA ग्रुप पे था. मैं बताता हूँ चालू कैसे हुई थी चीज़. एक्चुअली I was actually handling MUSC नागपुर का सोशल मीडिया पेज, इंस्टाग्राम वाला. एंड तब मेरे को आइडिया, बिकॉज आलम भाई और मैं तब से साथ में लाइव करते थे. वो MUSC दिल्ली से ज्वाइन करता था, मैं MUSC नागपुर से करता था, तो कुछ लाइव वीडियोस की. तो मेरे को आइडिया जब यहाँ कर रहे थे चैनल बना के करने की. पूरा क्रेडिट इसने ले गया. मैंने इसको पूछा था भाई मेरे को NBA का लाइव करना है, तू आना चाहता है कि नहीं आता. ये बड़े हिसाब से बता रहा है कि आई कॉन्टैक्टेड हर को.
भाई थोड़ा तो सेल करना है. सब लोग, not everyone is an excellent seller like our own.
तो जब आदित्य भैया की बात चली रही है तो हम उनसे ही इंट्रोडक्शन का करवा ले रहे हैं.
So hi guys, this is Aditya. I've been into soccer for almost about 20 years now. That doesn't mean I'm 40 yet, Arjun. I'm still in my 20s.
अबे मैं 29 का हूँ, फालतू में 40 करके मेरे don't go on my beard. मैं 29 का ही.
And don't go on my looks. I'm still 16. That's okay. So I've been following soccer since 2002. Not a famous World Cup for a lot of good teams. But then that is when I got introduced to Manchester United, Sir Alex Ferguson, David Beckham, and the legacies there for us to witness. Soccer is my first love, the only love I think which will not divorce me.
Insider jokes.
What a
सल से जो टूटे कोई सपना.
Strike this guy.
भाई डार के इतनी स्ट्राइक्स में बोलो.
Nothing more than 4 seconds, guys. Nothing more than 4 seconds. And then of course, being in India, born in India, I think I have to follow cricket. That is something that is like a mandate, a rule which everybody likes to follow. Nobody wants to break it. Yeah, exactly.
So cricket is my second love, but then other than that, I used to follow Formula 1 and NBA back in the days when I was as young as Harjot. He said he's 29. So when I was 29, I used to follow in the era of David Coulthard, Michael Schumacher, Kimi Raikkonen, and for NBA, one of my favorite basketball players, Allen Iverson. I mean, I don't know how he used to manage those 3-pointers, yeah.
बाद में बताएंगे अपन.
Kevin Durant and all those stuff. Sports is something that I'm very closely associated with, even though I don't understand being in US, rugby, baseball, but then I love to follow, love to be in those stadiums and watch those matches and be part of the crowd. So the reason for me joining
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl, yeah, it happened in
Super Bowl
Arizona.
it's
Yeah,
fun.
it's fun. Yeah, it's fun. It happened in Arizona, by the way, last year and I was there. So I was lucky to witness that. So the reason why I am in this group is because it's about sports. So for me, sports is like everything to me. Because I was always good in sports and the worst in studies. So that is all about me.
One more thing, there is another personality which would like him to introduce here, just for a few seconds, because ज़्यादा उनको अगर भाव दे दिया तो मेरे को पता है फैन बेस उधर ही चला जाएगा और स्पोर्ट्स से सरदार जी फ्रेंड्स का पूरा गड़बड़ हो
So
जाएगा.
it's basically Aditya Bhaiya minus the American accent.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So just for for our viewers and all the lovely people and followers that subscribe us and follow us on all the channels, यार थोड़ा दूसरी चीज के बारे में बता ही दो आप.
Yeah, see, when I was introducing, I said this is Aditya. I didn't say this is Aditya Mishra. So I believe in being authentic. अब मिश्रा बोल दिया तो पहला समझ में आ जाता है भाई यूपी से हैं. तो भैया हम हैं यूपी से, ठीक है. और यूपी से होने के बाद हम जब यूएस गए तो हमारे दिमाग में ख्याल आया कि काहे कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया ना जाए जिसका नाम हो मिश्रा जी अमेरिका वाले. आप सोचो मिश्रा जी अगर अमेरिका पहुंच जाए भौकाल मचाएं तो कैसा भौकाल मचाएंगे. तो वो एक दूसरा साइड है हमारा. और अब क्या है, अब यूएस में हम रह रहे हैं तो सीख गए हैं, जल्दी सीख लेते हैं.
60 सेकंड हो गए बहुत.
बाय द वे हम इंस्टाग्राम पे मिश्रा जी अमेरिका वाले चैनल से हमको फॉलो ना करें, स्पोर्ट्स से सदारा जी को फॉलो करें.
So this was the main part. That is the reason why I did this, because इनके 25,000 फॉलोअर थोड़े यहाँ भी आ जाए तो अच्छा लगेगा.
That's brutally honest.
You know what I'm saying?
So next one, and I guess the final one on my left is Alab bhai. So Alab bhai, your introduction, and we call him our technical guy because any problem on any of our devices or streaming platforms, he's the guy, he's the go-to guy, and he'll help us with that.
मैं ही हूँ IT वाला. मेरी वजह से ही Microsoft
And he's the one जिसके कारण recovery mode पे screen से हमारी.
कल जो भी हुआ है Microsoft के.
But I don't work at Microsoft.
ये
Microsoft, if you're listening, like, don't reject me. So, hi guys, my name is Alabhya. I used to do live sessions with Harjot using the MU Delhi page, और फिर वहीं से लाइव करते करते हरजोत ने भी बोला अपना क्यों नहीं चैनल शुरू करते. हमने बोला ठीक है करते हैं. And from there on we've done, like, I don't remember how many live sessions we have done together. Like countless live sessions, great discussions. The live sessions we have covered are football, cricket, random discussions, rant sessions, where we have ranted, अरे यार यूनाइटेड साइनिंग क्यों नहीं कर रहा है.
माउंट हमारे कारण आया है. हमेशा माउंट हमारे कारण आया है.
मेरा तुम्हारे कारण नहीं है.
दुनिया ला देंगे, ग्लेजर को ला देंगे.
See, we are the reason why Ineos is now in charge of the
Yeah.
Okay.
I beg to differ. I was in your south, but whatever happened in the past week, I'm in your south.
So Ineos pulled a acknowledge me stream on us.
And we are the ones who said Ineos out, ETH in.
That is the main thing.
So yeah, on that note, so I follow Manchester United. I follow, as Aniket mentioned, Mercedes. So get in there, Lewis.
Get in there, Lewis.
And then we'll be a Ferrari fan.
By the way, guys, I heard there are 2 more British.
Arjot Singh, give it up.
Urfil Sadaji, aka Harry. I follow basketball. I follow football. I follow lawn tennis.
He follows everything.
जब तक माइकल शूमाकर था तब तक फॉर्मूला 1 में मजा आता था, उसके बाद नहीं आया. आई गेस पहले सोनी नेटवर्क पे बिलियर्ड्स भी आता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो पंकज अडवाणी. आई स्टिल फॉलो हिम. सौरभ घोषाल था तो स्क्वॉश फॉलो करता था, और अभी 26 को तो वैसे भी ओलंपिक्स चालू हो रहे हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स I do follow every.
Neeraj Chopra for us.
Yeah, and not only Neeraj Chopra, it's a good contingent. I'm hoping we get a
Yeah.
medal in hockey too, which is very tough because our team has decreased a lot. So you can call me a guy ki jack of all trades, master of none. खेला मैं 3 स्पोर्ट हूँ, नेशनल लेवल तक गया, उसके आगे नहीं गया हूँ, बट क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो द रीजन. So that is it. And हमने ये सोचा था कि चलो हम 4 अभी कर रहे हैं, बट कुछ टाइम में हम 8 मिलेंगे तो उसका भी मजा आएगा.
Yes.
बट जब तक उनका रिकवरी मोड आता है तो हम क्यों मौका छोड़ दें. So this is the introduction and this is why we wanted to come and show you that why we wanted to start this page और हम क्यों बाकी सारे sports follow करते हैं. But coming back to that Formula 1 discussion जो इनकी चल रही थी, क्या ब्रिटिश भाई, इंडियन बताओ कौन था जो करता था.
नारायण कार्तिकेयन,
करुण
जियान
चांडोक,
अरोड़ा,
yes.
करुण चांडोक, 3 तो हो गए ऐसे ही.
चलो पता है यार इनको.
अरे
We have our facts covered, guys.
we come
Come on.
prepared.
Yeah.
We're prepared with our game sports.
By the way, I don't follow that much the other sports, but then trivia is on. Game on. Bring it on.
I guess that's what it is right now. मतलब ट्रिविया पता होना चाहिए, पहले पूरा स्पोर्ट्स फॉलो करो ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Because social media का जमाना है, अगर हमने facts गलत बोल
हर
दिए,
कोई
cancel culture is on.
ध्रुव राठी एक और फैक्ट चेक करके जाएगा, बोले आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. So guys, that is how it is. But मेरे को यार सबसे पूछना था कि why did you specifically fell in love with that particular sport? And सबकी कोई स्टोरी होती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो like we know एक दूसरे का जॉनर कौन सा एकदम जो एकदम पक्के से फॉलो करते हैं. मेरे को ना एक्चुअली अनिकेत से पूछना है कि why basketball, इतनी रुचि क्यों बास्केटबॉल में, being in India, being a country which loves cricket more than anything. मतलब religion, एक नया रिलीजन खड़ा हो गया. अपन 1.4 बिलियन लोग जो है जब वर्ल्ड कप जीते तो दे सेलिब्रेटेड. तो व्हाई बास्केटबॉल एंड हाउ बास्केटबॉल?
So I think like everyone in my friend circle were all cricket fans. Like cricket
Right.
fans तो हम लोग है ही पहले से. Like we are born and the first thing we know is
Sachin Tendulkar.
We're like Sachin Tendulkar and we have all these cricket fans amongst us, and so everyone follows cricket. So basketball was something which very limited people followed at that time in India. And it used to come, we used to get it on our television platforms, just that nobody used to follow it because of, they couldn't understand the sport. So it's just that, when I first fell in love with the sport, it was watching Kobe Bryant play basketball.
Wow.
So probably I watched some of his highlights which used to come on the television platform, and that's when I thought, wow, this game is so, pleasant on the eye.
ESPN.
It's about catching a basketball, putting it in the basket. You have just 10 players on the court, and you can see them all, exerting physically as well, as well. And I myself, as a sportsman, it felt, good watching people.
He looks like a sportsman.
Looks like a sport.
two test cricket खेलते हैं.
Two sportsmen and 2 umpires.
Referees. Not football.
भाई.
Formula 1. Stewards.
हम चीटिंग नहीं करते क्योंकि हमारे यूपीआई में पैसा नहीं आता.
I want the lights.
अरे भाई सुन, तो हम चीटिंग नहीं करते बिकॉज़ हमारे यूपीआई में पैसा नहीं आता सामने से.
Oops.
So
No cities were hurt here.
116 charges.
Yes. वो एक आप पे लगेगा ना.
तो इसलिए बोला ना 116 charges.
no strikes.
No strikes.
No strikes. So yeah, I mean it was just about if you want to follow sport, it's obviously ideal to catch it early on in your careers. Obviously people develop an interest later on in the careers as well. But to be a passionate sports fan, as like all of us are, we have been following all of our individual different sports that we have our interest in from a long time.
Right.
So everyone has their own story, and my story is basically, I fell in love watching Kobe Bryant play basketball because of his game, and that's when I picked up basketball as as a sport myself as well. And from then onwards, I've been watching Kobe Bryant devoutly, as well as the Los Angeles Lakers in basketball, and then NBA just happened as a natural. Until now, I've been following it to date. So that's my story on NBA.
That's a pretty good story. Like, not a lot of people get introduced to off-beat sports which isn't being telecasted as cricket or football or tennis or even the local sports that we have.
Agree to it.
So that's a
Another problem with NBA that was always there with ESPN back in the days was the kickoffs of all these matches were very early in the morning, And at that point of time, since we're all in school, we usually used to get ready to go to our schools, and that is the reason we were always watching the highlights.
Yeah.
So that is also a reason. Now we don't have the pressure of going to the school, so it's easier for us to follow the NBA games.
Yeah.
Yes.
I guess
By the way-
timing is also very
Yeah.
strong.
By the way, an interesting question to you, bro. Free throws or 3-pointers?
3-pointers.
Uh-huh.
Obviously.
What about slam dunks?
No, I mean, I cannot do a dunk personally, but I prefer watching the 3-pointer. I mean, I prefer watching this new age new age kind of basketball where it's more of your skill level is measured more than dunks, because dunk is like it could be about height as well
Yeah.
as your power. But the skills is what matter in this age of the NBA. The skills and the offensive sets and all that. So
Conference
I would say-
finals or All-Star game?
I mean, conference finals for sure.
Only LA Lakers is playing.
नहीं आदित्य actually कैसा था All-Star games before 2000 मतलब
Yeah.
20th century की जो थी
Yeah.
वो मजेदार थी यार, because they used to actually fight on
Serious,
court
yeah.
कि यार हमें जीतना है. अभी तो वो लोग ऐसे भाई इंजरी नहीं होनी चाहिए,
Yeah.
तू मेरे से 10 फीट दूर हो जा, मैं वहां से शॉट, ऐसा नहीं है. It is more of a
It's
fun
very
right
it's,
now.
it's not as competitive as
Yeah.
it was before. So
Even slam dunk competition has
It
gone
was
boring.
entertaining back then.
yeah.
Now it's all about pulling someone from the crowd and making him do and creating a wow factor. Man,
Exactly.
he could not do a
Right.
dunk, and how is he doing?
You know,
It's equivalent to Anthony doing the 360 spin.
just to add that context of a slam dunk, the last, even I guess Aniket agrees to it, that the last और सबसे बढ़िया slam dunk was between Aaron Gordon and Zach
Exactly.
Lavine. I mean, insane, and if you still haven't watched it, YouTube पे जाओ, वहाँ पे सीधा लिखो slam dunk competition Aaron Gordon and Zach Lavine, and you would just fall in love with this game.
Super serious message coming from the serious one.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the first part of the video, and if we are able to get 100 likes and some few subscribers, then surely we are gonna drop the second part.